Hello guys, my name is Rahul Singh. Again you are with me. In this video we'll learn about the domain and web hosting. What is domain, what is web hosting? Okay, so first of all we need to know that what is domain. See, if you open any site, okay, for any site you have to write after https double slash you have to write www.google.com or something extra, or some like you have to open any other site, then you have to write other site names like www.freshersworld.com. So fresherworld.com is a domain. So in this case we are writing, suppose, www.google.com. okay, so this google.com is a domain name. Okay, this www means world wide web and google.com is domain name. Okay, so by this we can better understand that www.worldwideweb, and this is the domain name what we are writing after this, like www.rahulsingh.com. okay, so that rahulsingh.com .net .in .india .org, that is totally under the domain name. Okay, so for better understanding, in this case if you're writing something www dot, or suppose I will write rahul.com. okay, so that rahul.com is www.rahul.com is domain name. okay, and it may be .com, it may be .co, it may be .co.in, because if you are in India, so many persons are using .in and .org also. okay, so like this we are having so many names. okay, so that is called domain name. okay, so by which anybody can search your name by your address. This is actually a address which is called domain name. okay, the second thing, if you are having some website, if you have opened one website and so much data is over there, okay, in your website so much data will be there. So for collecting the data or for keeping the data, so much files are required, so much huge space is required. okay, how we can manage this space and the data? So that data files will be collecting in the hosting. okay, so that hosting is called web hosting. So like this many servers are there. okay, many big companies are having so many servers in each and every country. okay, so they are having so huge number of servers. So what they are having and what they are doing, they are collecting your data, and with the security they are collecting your data and keeping all your data in servers. okay, so they are charging something, and they are keeping your data with safety. okay, so that is called web hosting. So please try to understand that domain is your name and address, and that on the address so much data is files are there. So for keeping the file, hosting is there. okay, so if you want to make any website, you have to take domain as well as the web hosting also. okay, so for domain name I'll show you. For domain name, if you want to purchase the domain name, then many sites are there. okay, so one of very big site is godaddy.com. okay, so we have to click on the godaddy.com first. See, in this case what you have to search over here, you have to search any name what you want, like Rahul next generation.com. okay, we have to search. Suppose this is showing rahulnext.com. okay, it is available in 3.99 AD. AD means that is dirham, because I am living in UAE, that's why it is showing AD. Otherwise, what you can do, bottom side you can change your country, like from here. Okay, this is United Arab Emirates. You can change to India also. Okay, like this. So what will happen? It will open in Indian rupees. See this. So now this is 199 rupees. Okay, almost 200. So this is for first year. Second year also registration will be there. Okay, if you want to continue, you can continue. Okay, so this is very cheap amount, and so many cheap sites are also there. Okay, so one of very big site is godaddy.com. Okay, I'm not sponsoring this, and nobody has sponsored me for this. So but this is good site, that's why I'm telling you. This is GoDaddy. So from GoDaddy, if you like continue to cart or add to cart. Okay, so what will happen? Okay, so my domain name is nextgenerations.com. Okay, so total amount has been given. New site, actually this is new domain I have taken, nextgenerations.com. Okay, so this is actually a domain. How to get the domain from the godaddy.com. Okay, the second thing is Bluehost hosting. Okay, for hosting also many sites are there. Okay, many hostings are there. So one of the best hosting is Bluehost. Okay, so in Bluehost, if you open the Bluehost, I'll show you. I'll log out from here. I'll open. So one of the best hosting site is Bluehost site. Okay, okay, so this is my old ID. What you have to do in this case, you can use your email or domain name. Okay, because I need to write here nextgenerations.com. Okay, but I don't have any account over here, so I need to create account. Okay, or already I have one account, moneytechcurrency.com. I'll open this. So it will open like this. Okay, suppose here I have written moneytechcurrency.com, that's why here moneytechcurrency.com here. Okay, so this is the plan, 2.95 per month, 5.45 per month. So basically it will multiplied by 12. Okay, per year, that is dollar. Okay, so it is giving 50 GB website, one website name. You can work under this. SSL certificate also it is coming, that is important also. Okay, you can select it. Okay, create a domain. So this type of web page will be open. Okay, so you can write, like I already have done this, moneytechcurrency.com. This is my site. This password I have to write. Login. So this kind of your website name will be there, moneytechcurrency.com, like this, nextgeneration.com. Okay, so you'll get your name here. Okay, so I have two uh, domain names. Okay, so like this, you can have your domain name here in the Bluehost. So from now onwards, you can connect this Bluehost. This WordPress websites will be here. So if you click this, then this domain will connect with this login to WordPress. Okay, when you will press it, okay, so now this Bluehost and WordPress is merging over here. Okay, because these are two different sites, but Bluehost is having the collaboration with WordPress, so it is merging over here. So like this dashboard will be open. Okay, so this is your website name here, this is your dashboard of WordPress, this is connected with Bluehost. Okay, so for making any website, you need to have a website making site like WordPress. Okay, and hosting like a Bluehost, and domain name we can buy from the godaddy.com, anything. Okay, so first we need to get the domain name, then we have to register with any hosting that plan also we have to take. So both plans uh, can be same also. If you want to take from Bluehost also, so from one website also you can take the domain name also, plus hosting also. Okay, so after that we have merged with the WordPress and Bluehost. So after that, this is the dashboard of WordPress. Okay, so now from here we can make any website. Much, and if you like this, please subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon to keep continue with my latest videos on the new technical things. And definitely I'll teach the WordPress, how to make the website on the WordPress. Okay, that also I'll teach you in next videos. Thank you very much.